Daddy, Daddy, there's that tasty bird again. Yeah, that tasty looking bird. Yeah, he looks pretty tasty. It's pretty exciting. Oh, it's that tasty bird again, Daddy. We see that tasty bird. Yeah, he looks very, very tasty. Yeah, we think that tasty bird is out there again, Daddy. Yeah. Cookie saw him too. Yeah, Cookie saw him. It's pretty exciting. Is it the tasty bird, Daddy? Is the tasty bird back? Oh, we're gonna get that tasty bird one of these mornings. Yeah, we're gonna jump out of the car and run and get him. Yeah. Yeah, I bet he tastes good, Daddy. There's Kingsley. Today's Kingsley's last day with us. He's going to his new home.